Welcome to the studio of Remo TV. It's time for 8 p.m. news. I am Emmanuel Bitoye. First, the headlines. Ogun Cross River, Ekiti, Gombe and Kwara received least federal allocation, says MBS. NiMet predicts 3 days of thunderstorms and rain across Nigeria. Super Falcons battle ready for Group C opponents. Charly Boy Pleads with Odumeje to save Nigeria from economic crisis. Let's go on a short break and we will be right back. Welcome back. Here's the news in full. Ogun Cross River, Ekiti, Gombe and Kwara received the least federal allocation from the federal government between January and June 2024, according to data from National Bureau of Statistics, NBS. The data revealed that within the period in review, Ogun received the least allocation of 40 billion naira, Cross River got 40.1 billion naira, Ekiti was given 42.3 billion naira, Gombe had 42.8 billion naira, and Kwara got 44.3 billion naira. The 5 states that received the highest allocations in the first 6 months of 2024 are Delta, 260.7 billion naira, Rivers, 197.2 billion naira, Akwa Ibom, 179.1 billion naira, Lagos, 161.1 billion naira, and Bayelsa, 157.7 billion naira. The Nigerian Meteorological Agency has forecasted thundery and rainy weather from Monday to Wednesday across the country. The weather outlook released on Sunday anticipates morning thunderstorms and rain in various states, including Ogun, Taraba, Adamawa, Zamfara, Kebbi, Katsina, Kano, Kaduna and others. In North Central region, rains are expected over the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Niger and Nasarawa states during the mornings, with thunderstorms and rains extending to Plateau, Kwara and Kogi states later in the day. In the southern region, including Ogun State, intermittent rains are anticipated throughout the afternoons and evenings, affecting areas such as Lagos, Abia, Ebonyi, Ondo, Rivers, Akwa Ibom and Cross River states. On sport news, Super Falcons winger Jennifer Echegini has warned their 2024 Olympic Games opponents that they should be prepared for a tough test. Around the world, Rum side are in a tough group with world champions Spain, Brazil and former world champions Japan. The West Africans are also the lowest ranked team in the group. Echegini, however, said the Super Falcons will be up for the battle against their illustrious opponents. I feel like as a Nigerian or any other African team, they underestimate our football ability and they kind of just base us off strength and speed. Echegini, who recently joined French giant Paris Saint-Germain to beat and Reims FC. It's always, oh, they are strong and powerful, but we can also play. On entertainment news, entertainer Charly Boy has urged controversial pastor Odumeje to use his powers to rescue Nigeria from its economic woes. Charly Boy expressed concern over the nation's plummeting economy and widespread hunger, asking Odumeje to intervene during these desperate times. And that's it on the Daily News Update on Remo TV. Do well to follow us on our social media platforms at Official Remo TV on Facebook, X, Thread, Instagram and YouTube. You can as well visit our website at www.remotv.com.ng. I am Emmanuel Bitoye. Thank you for listening. Bye.